you're looking for a knockdown to build your dream home, then welcome to 103 George Evans Road, Killarney, Vale.
What you know about good style? Turning up with the cool crowd. When you want, we can get down. When you want, we can get loud. Make our own sound. What you know about downtown? What you know about real pride? Coming straight from the underground. Now I'm living on my own cloud. Got my own sound. Take a bow, you the real thing. Looking sharp as a bee sting. Don't wait for the moment to come. We're taking control. We grab it and run.
This blank canvas opportunity ticks all the Killarney Vale lifestyle boxes.